So now we are less than 2 weeks of times away from the Cupertino's latest launch event, which is happening on 12th of September, which is the launch of the new iPhone 15 series, the Apple Watch Ultra 2nd generation, and also there is a chances that this time around it will also be coming with the all new AirPods 3 or 4th generation. Now, first of all, let's talk about this. What are the 3 or 5 major upgrades out of 3 are going to come in the iPhone 15 lineup? Now, first of all, the iPhone 15 series this time around will be coming with the USB-C all across the devices. And not only that, it will be coming with a braided cable, and it will also be having a bit of an Easter egg. Now, the iPhone 15 and the 15 Plus will be getting a slower speeds data transfer speed, whereas the Pro and the Pro Max will be getting a faster UFS transfer speeds. Now, talking about the charging speeds, then this time around the Pro model will be getting a bump up of 10 watts, and they will be supporting 35 watts of fast charging in the Pro models. Now again, you have to buy a separate charger for them as well if you want to charge your iPhone towards the 35 watts of fast charging. But the next camera upgrade is a major one, as it has been very long awaited feature for the iPhone to have in the camera, which is the periscopic camera. Now, the periscopic lens will be coming to the only and only Pro Max model, and it will be up to 6x of zoom in the phone itself. Now, the Pro and the vanilla 15 versions will not be getting the same, so it is reserved for only for the Pro Max. Now, apart from that, the design changes. The phone will also this time be more durable, as it will be coming with the titanium frame. Previously it was steel frame, but this time around it will be coming with the titanium frame in the Pro models. Now, the titanium frame will indeed make your iPhone feel little more lighter, and also whereas the much more rigid. Now, the next, last but not the least, which is the action button, is coming on the iPhone Pro models and also in the 15 as well. Now, these Pro action button will be remappable towards any app which you want to choose, but definitely it's going to be in Apple way. And the mute or the alert slider in the Apple's film, which is the mute or the sound button, is getting replaced. Now, what we also know is that the price is also getting increased by a decent enough, which is by almost $100. And also this time around the battery capacity is also increasing in the iPhone. Now, what do you think about these leaks and 5 major upgrades which you are going to see in the iPhone 15 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.